10 superfoods that cleanse the liver. The liver is the largest gland in the body. Detoxification, i.e., to remove toxic substances from the body, is its central role. To maintain liver detox function at optimal levels, you'll need to eat various liver cleansing foods such as the ones below to aid the liver cleansing process. Number 1. Walnuts. These nuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that facilitate liver cleanse. Walnuts also contain an amino acid called arginine that helps neutralize the ammonia in the body, which ultimately helps reduce stress levels on the liver and promote liver cleanse. Number 2. Cruciferous vegetables. In addition to being good for weight loss, veggies such as cauliflower and broccoli boost the body's organic sulfur compounds called glucosinolate. These compounds work alongside antioxidants like flavonoids, vitamin C, and folate to cleanse the liver and promote its detox functions. Number 3. Turmeric. This spice helps rev up liver enzymes, which ultimately cleanses the liver and triggers the detoxification process. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory substance that can also help repair damaged liver function. Number 4. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like limes and lemons are rich in vitamin C, which helps dissolve toxins for excretion through the kidneys. The compounds in citrus fruits help reduce the load off your liver, promoting detox. Number 5. Whole grains. Switching to whole grains such as millet, quinoa, buckwheat, and bulgur instead of other grains like white rice and wheat can help reduce the load off your liver, promoting liver cleansing. Number 6. Cold-pressed oils. Oils such as olive oil, hemp seed oil, and flaxseed oil contain phenolic antioxidant compounds that help dissolve body toxins and facilitate their removal from the body. Number 7. Avocados. Eating avocados helps the body produce glutathione, an antioxidant the liver uses to cleanse itself and the body in general. Garlic, dark leafy greens, and other cruciferous vegetables also stimulate glutathione production. Number 8. Apples. Apples contain a soluble fiber called pectin that helps the body remove waste and toxins more effectively. Apples can help take some stress off your liver, helping it detox and function optimally. Number 9. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like mustard greens, dandelion, spinach, and arugula, to mention a few, help absorb toxins from the bloodstream, reducing levels of toxicity and heavy metals, which boosts liver cleanse, improves detox function, and can promote weight loss. Number 10. Garlic. Eating raw garlic provides your body with active sulfur compounds alongside arginine and selenium, which help activate various liver enzymes. These compounds also work together to cleanse your liver and promote detox.